Okay, the old one is out. Here is where the bolts go through, one here, one here, so it's only held in by 2 bolts there. And I've got the 2 parts here. You always want to compare your parts. They might look similar, but get them side by side and compare everything, where the space is between the brackets, all that stuff, and especially the pulley size, the grooves. Make sure the same amount of grooves. I just looked everything over. These are identical, but it could be off by just a little bit. I did one just the other day where the customer had the new part. It looked almost identical until you got it right next to the other one and compared it, and there was subtle differences. So this one's going back in. I'll pick up after it's installed.